Good morning. My name is Samsur Rahman. I completed my SSC in 2018 from Bogota Public School and College. I also completed my SSC in 2021 from Bogota Public School and College also. Currently, I am studying at Daffodil International University. My passion for software development started when I wrote my first program language, which is C. Seeing that simple idea that turn a working application motivated me to explore programming further. Since then, I have been continuously learning new technologies and improving my problem-solving skill. My technical skill include C, C++, Java, Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, MySQL, Git, GitHub. I enjoy writing clean and effective code and learning modern software development practices. During my academic journey, I have completed several software programs. One of my key project is a student management system where I designed feature of student registration, record management, searching and report generation. I also developed smaller applications that strengthen my understanding of data structure, algorithm and object-oriented programming. Alongside my coursework, I regularly practice coding and improve my analytical thinking by solving programming problems. Every project has taught me how to debug efficiently, write maintainably code, and approach complex problems with confidence. I believe my greater strengths are my curiosity, adaptability, and willingness to learn. I enjoy collaboration with others, sharing ideas, and taking responsibility for delivering quality work. Whenever I face challenge, I treat it as an opportunity to improve myself. My career goal is to become a professional software engineer and contribute to developing innovative software solutions that can create real values for users. I am excited to keep learning new technologies and work on impactful projects through my career. Thank you for watching my instruction. I truly appreciate for this. Thank you.